Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! From the thumbnail you've seen what's up, so we're gonna check out the rear speaker. Now, front speaker is working perfectly fine, but the rears, these ones, questionable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the panel and we're gonna switch this to the front. So I'm gonna take it off this door panel too, and we're gonna switch around and listen. So if this is working perfectly fine in this door and the wiring is okay and the sound will be coming from that in here, that speaker won't be giving us any sound. That means the rear speakers are blown. Let's go and I'll show you the tools we're gonna need. These are the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need pry tools, like different kind of type of pry tools. You will need a pick, just a small pick, an O-ring pick. If it's a cornered pick, even better, and a Phillips screwdriver plus, so a plus screwdriver. That's it. Let's go do the job. Now what's keeping this speaker in is the wire, and this wire is connected to the head unit. So let's start a song you all might know. Let's see if this works. So this goes nothing. So we can unpin this. And do this. It's as dead as a doornail. So you can hear nothing. Now some of you might be saying like, oh, this might be still good. It's just meant for rears. Rears shouldn't do anything. So this is the good speaker. I just unbolted it. Now let's plug this in the back and see if the wiring is good. Yes, a sound is coming out of this, and the split between is 50-50, so the center is right here. The sound center is right here. So you can hear. As you could hear, there is noise. There is sound coming from this. Now, as that speaker, what was at the front, at the back, did not make any sound when we plugged it at the front. That means the wiring is good, but the speaker is dead. So that means this speaker is fully dead. As you could see, one speaker is fully blown. Expect in the future videos a speaker upgrade, maybe for all of it, or maybe just for the rears. Let's see, we will see. But for now, we know that the rear speakers are fully dead, and the front speakers is fine, and the wiring is completely fine. So let's see what happens in the future. For now, hope this helps, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.